welcome back to another video. Hopefully you had a good Christmas and Christmas Eve and all of that. You got all the presents you wanted. So yeah. Today I got a lot of slime stuff for Christmas, including like instant snow and gold leaf and Daiso clay and Model Magic clay and like glue all. But I got a lot of stuff, and we're gonna be making cloud slime with the instant snow I got. So what we do is, or what I'm gonna do is, I forgot to get a bowl of water, so I'll be right back. Hold on. Need to get my bowl of water. Okay. Okay, my bowl of water is right here. Be very careful with it. Okay, so I'm only gonna put a little bit of instant snow in because this is 4 gallons of instant snow. As you can see, one of this is 1 gallon, so I'm only gonna pour a little bit in, so I don't make 1 gallon of instant snow because this bowl cannot hold a gallon. Okay, so you can see me opening it for the first time in forever. For the first time in forever. I'm going to put like a spoon of this. I think this is like a tablespoon. Okay. That's probably way too much. Now I'm going to put like a tablespoon of water. Ooh. Oh! Did you see that? That looks so cool! Okay, I'm going to add more water. Okay. Oh, it keeps growing. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. Keep adding water until you get the texture. Oh my god, this feels like snow. Ooh. Whoa. Yeah, good. Here. Good. So weird. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. But this like filled up so much, and it's wet a little bit, but oh my god, it feels so weird. I'm gonna add a little bit more of this.
You know what it turned out like?
What?
Like that snow that the elves were playing with.
No, that's a different kind of snow. That's the plastic snow.
It
I'm gonna need
felt like
some.
that. Like I touched it.
Oh my god.
And
this is like so weird. Maybe a little bit.
It just feels like that. Just to me. I don't know why.
1 more spoonful. Okay, they're perfect. Okay, so I got my instant snow. Oh my god, this video can just be like me playing with the snow and describing how cool it feels. Oh, it's amazing.
Have you already made it into slime?
Nope. Okay, now,
Like,
nope. Now we're going to make this, this slime. It's just gonna be white.
You're just gonna pour it into the. You're gonna pour the instant snow into the slime.
Yeah, after the slime's made.
And that's gonna make cloud slime.
Yep. Okay. We're just gonna activate it really. I know. Really quick. Maybe a tablespoon of water.
Have we
That's it.
Felt? No, nobody can feel clouds, so I don't even know what that's.
My brother's just talking in the background. Say hi, Gage.
Hi. I never knew how easy it was just to make slime. Wait, did you use baking soda?
Baking? No. This is not contact solution slime. Okay. Just gonna make this slime really quick because I need it done really quick. Okay, come on. I should have had a slime prepared already. But this is how you make slime if you don't know. You add your glue.
It's only been 4 minutes, 21 seconds.
I know. You add your, I don't know, I'm adding just like, oh, sorry.
You have like,
there you go. I'm adding so much activator. I just want to activate really quick.
You have like 6 minutes left.
I know. Well, we can have it like the 12 minutes, so I don't know.
Okay, then like 8 minutes. You have like 8 minutes left. That's a lot.
If the max, that's why I'm trying to make this really quick. But if you don't know how to make slime, you add your glue.
Why are you adding so much of that?
Because you actually need like to be the cloud slime over activated. And oh my god, guys, thank you so much for 198 subscribers.
You're almost at 200.
I know.
Right?
I'm so excited, guys. This is awesome.
If you can like
Thank
subscribe, like if we get 2 more subscribers, then that means you'll bump 2 more subscribers.
Yep, and then we will probably get like we'll get 200 subs. Oh,
Subscribers, and she might do like a blindfolded challenge to make like 3 different.
I can
like, slimes.
Yeah, I can blindfold
Or
my
you
mom.
could blindfold-
No, I can blindfold my mom, and then she can make slime blindfolded, or she can like do the hands while I do the like face and tell her what to do. Yeah. Those videos.
Okay, well, you could make you with somebody else, both blindfolded, having to make cloud slime, and with blindfolded, but not only you're blindfolded, you can't use your hands either to
What?
make it.
No.
That'd be like a challenge.
Alright, so we're gonna quickly knead this, and we want it really activated.
That'd be crazy.
You pretty much want it over-activated, which are the videos that I've seen. They over-activate their slimes.
Or you
So
could
I'm
just
kind of
make
doing
those
that.
jelly cubes.
I'm gonna make it really not sticky. Slime, if you know. I don't want to really over-activate it too much because this is my first time making cloud slime. So, oh my gosh, I'm up to 6 minutes. Sorry guys, but you see me making slime.
She has 6 minutes
for like
left.
a lot of minutes.
She has 6 minutes left. Because she's gonna try to do 12 minutes, so 6
Okay,
minutes
just
left.
over-activate it a little bit more. Sorry if I'm splashing borax and it looks so messy, but it's okay because I just want to make this really fast. I should have just grabbed a slime that's over-activated from my
Or you could
slime
just,
cabinet.
You could just grab the slime from your slime cabinet and just over-activated it.
That's pretty much what I just said.
No, you said that's over like already.
Yeah,
No?
that'd be easier.
Yeah, but you could just over-activate it.
Okay, so here's our cloud slime. It's a little bit rippier than normal slime.
Sure?
Oh, I got it on my clothes.
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
But it's not white.
Oh. I need to unbutton this
Oh no!
so my
You
sleeve
got
can
it
roll
on
up.
your shirt.
I
Or
know.
just your sleeves. Oh, you got it. It's in your hair. It's in your hair.
What? Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh.
I can't unbutton
It's not
this.
on
Can you
your
unbutton this?
Ew!
I can only do it
It's on my
with one
sticky
hand.
hands.
It's okay. I can only do it with. I only
Here,
have one
I'll
hand.
do it. I'll do it.
Okay. Whew, that's better because I only had one hand and it's hard. Sorry, that was my mom. Woo! Technical difficulties.
Don't break this.
I won't.
Do you want me to hold the camera?
No, it's okay.
Yeah, you probably should.
No, it's good because it's gonna be shaky and everything like
I
that.
put Google Sound.
Oh gosh, how many minutes is this? It's already been 8 minutes. Okay, I only have a few minutes left. Okay, so we are going to add our instant snow to this. I am so excited.
Instant.
Okay, let's add it. Okay,
That's a lot.
Just
You can
add-
like make more overactive snow.
I
'Cause
know.
You have a lot more.
Oh, this is so
And
fun.
that's like crazy.
Okay, so we're just gonna keep kneading and kneading. But oh my gosh, this is turning out so cool, and it's not even getting sticky, which is awesome.
Oh, can I feel?
Like so cool. Okay. No, not yet. Not yet.
Aw.
Okay.
More instants.
Can't really
No.
see it. Okay, there you go. Sorry. Okay. Now it's getting a little bit more shaky, but oh my gosh, this is awesome. Oh, this is turning so cool. Oh, Savannah. Or, I don't know. Hallelujah. I don't know why I'm saying hallelujah. I don't know. Oh my gosh, it's turning into cloud slime. Oh, this is awesome.
Just try one.
My gosh, this slime is awesome. It's already been 10 minutes. Look at, hold on, I'm going to take a look
Okay, I
at
like
this slime.
those. Those are the only Lay's I like them.
I think we need to make more snow. Make more snow. Make more snow. Okay, I'm just going to make a little bit more instant snow. Okay, then I'm going to add some water. And it grew so fast. Just a little bit more water. Sorry if you hear background noises in the background. Okay, add a handful of that, move that, and oh, this is so cool. It's turning out so good. I'm just going to keep adding snow. It's getting stickier, but this looks like a fluffy cloud or just snow. It looks so nice. I mean, like, babe, this is so cool.
I wish I could touch it, but my
You
hands are
can-
filled with chips sauce. I mean, chips, salt. Well, only these kind, because these are the only Lay chips that don't give me headaches.
Yep.
And I also have
Okay, Gage.
the only Pringle, the barbecue Pringle.
Oh, this looks so good. Okay, how many minutes has this been? Oh, it's already been 11 minutes.
Well,
Ah!
it's from barbecue one.
I'm gonna add a little bit more snow to this, and it just, oh, the snow's warm. Nice.
How many more
It just is so nice, like one. But this is my cloud
It's
slime.
already at 11 minutes.
Yeah, I think. This is my cloud slime. It is so cool. Okay, so, yep. Hopefully you enjoyed me making, or you enjoyed watching me make cloud slime. So, yeah. Bye, guys.
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe. Comment what slime we should make next. And, yeah. Bye.
Definitely subscribe.